The rumors surrounding DJI's first mirrorless camera have created a wave of excitement across both the photography and tech communities. Known primarily for its dominance in the drone market, DJI has revolutionized aerial cinematography with its compact, stabilized cameras and advanced gimbals. Despite its proven expertise in motion imaging, the company has never ventured into standalone mirrorless cameras, until now, according to the latest reports. Sources suggest that DJI is preparing to unveil its first professional mirrorless system at CES 2026, a move that could disrupt the traditional camera hierarchy and place the company in direct competition with long-established brands like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. DJI's years of innovation in imaging technology, especially through drones and handheld gimbals, have given the company a strong foundation in stabilization, color science, and image processing. Its collaboration with Hasselblad, a company renowned for its photographic heritage and color accuracy, is believed to have further refined DJI's approach to image quality. Observers speculate that the new mirrorless camera will combine DJI's cinematic video expertise with Hasselblad's color science, resulting in a hybrid system that excels in both still photography and video production. Unlike DJI's previous compact or aerial cameras, this mirrorless system is expected to cater to professional creators seeking a single device capable of handling diverse shooting needs. Design rumors suggest a compact, ergonomic body that balances comfort, portability, and professional usability. The camera is expected to adopt the L-mount system through DJI's membership in the L-mount Alliance, granting instant access to a wide range of lenses from Leica, Sigma, and Panasonic. This decision addresses a common limitation of new camera systems by ensuring lens compatibility from the start. Early reports also indicate a lightweight yet durable construction, possibly using magnesium alloy, designed to endure professional use without excessive bulk. Given DJI's experience with weather-resistant drones and action cameras, the mirrorless body may also feature dust and splash protection, making it ideal for outdoor shooting, travel, and unpredictable environments. At the center of this new system is its rumored full-frame sensor, reportedly around 45 megapixels. Such a sensor would place DJI squarely in the flagship mirrorless category, competing with models like the Sony A7R series and Canon EOS R5. Beyond resolution, this sensor could deliver impressive low-light performance, rich detail, and professional-grade image quality. Coupled with DJI's advanced processing pipeline and Hasselblad's color science, photographers could expect accurate skin tones, vibrant landscapes, and cinematic quality color straight from the camera. Dynamic range is also anticipated to be excellent, capturing subtle details in both highlights and shadows, a crucial factor for professional photographers and hybrid content creators alike. Autofocus is another area where DJI could leverage its existing technological strengths. Though the company has not produced a standalone mirrorless camera before, its drones and gimbals already feature some of the most sophisticated tracking systems in the industry. DJI's AI-driven autofocus technology has been refined over years of aerial motion capture, and it is rumored to be adapted for the mirrorless platform. This could include intelligent subject recognition, predictive tracking, facial detection, and continuous eye autofocus. Such capabilities would allow the camera to track humans, animals, vehicles, and other fast-moving subjects with high precision. The system is expected to perform well in low light and complex lighting conditions, making it ideal for dynamic shooting environments. Video capabilities are another area where DJI's mirrorless camera is expected to shine. Leveraging its extensive experience in filmmaking through drones and gimbals, the camera is rumored to record 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, allowing for high-quality slow-motion footage. Professional video codecs, including 10-bit color and possibly ProRes RAW, may also be supported, giving hybrid shooters flexibility for color grading and post-production workflows. DJI's expertise in minimizing rolling shutter, stabilizing footage, and optimizing color pipelines could make this mirrorless system one of the most capable video tools available in its class. As a result, it could appeal not only to photographers but also to YouTubers, wedding videographers, travel content creators, and independent filmmakers looking for a compact, professional-grade solution. Stabilization is expected to be a defining feature of DJI's mirrorless system. Leaks suggest the inclusion of either 4-axis or 5-axis in-body image stabilization, inspired by DJI's industry-leading gimbals and Osmo series. By combining optical, mechanical, and digital stabilization, the camera could outperform typical mirrorless models in shake reduction, allowing creators to capture smooth, cinematic footage handheld. This would be particularly beneficial for travel, documentary, and run-and-gun shooting, where professional-grade stabilization is essential but additional equipment may be impractical. Paired with AI-powered tracking, this system could provide creators unprecedented freedom to shoot handheld in challenging environments. Connectivity and workflow enhancements are also expected to be strong points. The rumored mirrorless system may support Wi-Fi 6 for rapid image transfer, Bluetooth for quick device pairing, and cloud-connected features for automatic backups. DJI's existing mobile apps already allow remote monitoring and control, and it is likely similar functionality will be offered for the mirrorless camera. Creators could benefit from live previews, wireless remote shooting, and instant file sharing, streamlining workflows in the field. Additional professional focus features may include full-size HDMI ports, USB-C video output, and dual card slots for redundant recording, making the camera compatible with demanding production workflows. The target audience for DJI's mirrorless camera appears to be broad and multidisciplinary. Hybrid content creators who need a single tool for both photography and videography are obvious candidates. Drone cinematographers operating within the DJI ecosystem could benefit from seamless integration with existing hardware, while YouTubers, travel vloggers, and wedding filmmakers may appreciate advanced stabilization, AI-driven autofocus, and professional video features. High-resolution still photographers may also be attracted by the full-frame sensor and Hasselblad-influenced color science. Essentially, the camera is rumored to serve as an all-in-one solution for creators seeking flexibility without compromising on quality. Portability and ergonomics are expected to be key design considerations. DJI has consistently emphasized user-friendly, lightweight designs that do not compromise functionality. The mirrorless system may feature a comfortable grip suitable for extended shooting sessions, a balanced body that supports handheld use, and durable construction capable of handling professional workloads. The L-mount system ensures access to a wide variety of lenses, allowing users to avoid the limitations of proprietary mounts while enjoying high-quality optics. Weather sealing and magnesium alloy construction would further position the camera as a robust tool for professionals and serious enthusiasts alike. In conclusion, DJI's rumored mirrorless camera represents a bold expansion of the company into professional imaging. By combining its expertise in aerial cinematography, stabilization, and image processing with a versatile lens mount system, DJI could deliver a camera that caters to both photographers and videographers. With a possible full-frame sensor, AI-driven autofocus, advanced in-body stabilization, 4K 120 video, 10-bit recording, and seamless connectivity, this system is shaping up to be an all-in-one solution for hybrid creators. If DJI delivers even a portion of the rumored features, the camera could challenge established brands, redefine workflow standards, and set new benchmarks in the mirrorless market. All eyes will be on CES 2026, where DJI may finally unveil the camera that bridges traditional photography and cinematic production in a single compact system.